Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I'm doing a Disney staycation. I'm staying at Disney's Boardwalk for the very first time, and I'm super excited. And also, it is opening weekend for Funawai Festival, so it's a really cool resort that you can just walk from here to go to the parks. So I'm excited to spend the weekend here, and I'm gonna show you guys what they have to offer at this resort and show you a room tour. So come on with me as I check in. Okay, so this is like this little walk pathway from the parking lot. They have the self parking, and then you walk this sidewalk to get into the entrance. As you can see in the front of me is the boardwalk sign. I'm really excited. I don't know, every single time, even though I know I live here, I get excited every time I'm around the Disney area, because it's like Disney has their own little, I call it like their little land or their city. So I get very excited. And yeah, so I'm gonna go check in into the lobby right now. Okay, now we're gonna be walking into the lobby, because like I said, I gotta check in, because even though you can do it on the app, for some reason it was giving me problems. So I'm gonna go to the front desk and check in, which should be on the left, I believe. Yeah, so this is the main lobby area over here. Yeah, check-in should be right on the left over here. I like some of the details in this lobby. It's so cool because like the chair look, it's like the shape of a sun. And then on the very top, you see this elephant. And I like all the big giant chandeliers here in this lobby. And then in front of me, they have like this, it looks like a carnival ride, and the display right here in the lobby. This is pretty cool. And then I think on the other side, they have a merry-go-round, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go around there really fast so I can show you guys really quick what they have in this part of the lobby. And look, on the very top, like everywhere you go, you see really cool details. But I want to show you something that's over here. There goes a little merry-go-round. Okay, this is gonna be a look at the lobby at night. I know I showed you guys earlier when I first checked in, but it was a lot crowded back then. Now it's quieter, and you can be able to see everything without like a whole lot of people being in the lobby all at the same time. So just wanted to do like a quick walk through in the lobby and see if there's anything that I didn't notice from earlier. But it's nice and quiet and chill, and this hotel doesn't even feel like it's a Disney vibe. It's more like a homey feel, which is a good thing, because it's not like a typical hotel. So I'm gonna walk through this one hallway coming up, and toward the right is going to be the Carousel Coffee, which is closed right now, but as soon as the morning time comes, I'll definitely check that out. There goes one of the lounge you can chill out with. This place only has been open for not too long, I think last year or something. So that coffee place is new in the Boardwalk Resort, and then there's the hallway that you can go walk to get to the room. So that's pretty neat. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the gym, which I don't know why I'm going in here, because I don't even work out, but I just wanted to show it off and see what they have, what kind of machines and equipment. So you basically have to take your room key or magic band and scan to get in, and then you just walk in, and then those are the rules of the fitness center. Towels on the left, and these are some of the weights. Some more weights, and then let's see what else do they have. So let's quickly scroll through this gym and see all the different kind of machines. As you can see, not really a lot of people. So because if it was crowded, I don't really like to film people while they're working out. So that's kind of weird, you know. And then there's a scale, a water machine, and then back here is like the bathrooms, I'm thinking. So yeah, and then that's basically it. There's not really much going on, but yeah, just wanted to show you it. Now we're taking a night stroll by one of the pools they have here. The pool's actually open really late till 11 o'clock, so that's why you still see people swimming. So it's so cool because it looks like a little carnival or something. It looks like, a carousel. And then they have these little games you can play out here, like foosball table back there. And then there's an arcade in that little corner. But I'll be enjoying this pool day during the day tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like at night. Check-in was really easy, and she gave me this room key, even though they do have an app. But she said sometimes it doesn't work, so it's best just to have a room key just in case. So I got Mickey and my key. So we're gonna go in and give you guys a little quick room tour. So when I first come in, to the right is the closet, and they have a safe, a blow dryer, and then the other doors is an extra pillow, blanket, hangers, and I like how this closet, I don't know, it just kind of look almost like being on a Disney cruise for some reason. They have a K-cup coffee, and I like the little Mickey and Minnie thing in the background. In here is all the K-cup coffee stuff and the creamers, cups, and then on the very, very bottom is a fridge. Then to the right is the bathroom, and I like the shower. It's very nice. Look at that, towels. And then the toilet, and then toward the right is the bathroom. Got a double sink. Oh, they still have the Disney H2O soap. I thought they were discontinuing it. So this is very, very, really nice. And then over here is the TV. Tell us the times for the parks. And then these are 2 beds. And then of course they have all the different Disney pictures on the wall, and USBs, and then the couch, and I believe that turns into pull-out bed. There's a telephone, the Bible, and I like how the lamp has the little Mickey logos on it. That's really cool. That's a nice touch. Very nice, cool. And then another chair, and there's a balcony. They can hang out, but it's not much of a view. It's supposed to get like a resort view, but this is a view of the crane. But maybe I'll say something front desk and see if they can switch out our room, because they pay for a resort view, not a crane view. But very nice. You guys, did you know how much space you have under this bed? Like, I just pushed my suitcase under there. You can even fit under there because the bed frame is that high up. And I want to show you something. Remember I showed you the H2O over here? They also have it but built into the shower right here. The H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You guys, it's such a convenience walk. I looked at my watch, like when we left the resort, it was 5:38, right? So now we're about to walk through the booth to get into Epcot. It's by the France pavilion area, and it took literally 3 minutes. So that's the perks about staying at the boardwalk. It's so close. You don't have to take no transportation, like no car, bus, monorail, nothing. It's just, I like it. Oh, update on about what happened to the room. So remember when I was saying that I thought it was supposed to be a theme, when it said resort view on the app, I thought it meant like theme park view, but it's, the cast member was explaining, no, it's a view of the other resort. I was like, oh, okay. So I kind of felt kind of slow. So I just hate the long walk because we're like at the end of the hall, like the last room on the 2nd floor. But Alright guys, so for breakfast we're gonna be trying the Trattoria Al Forno. I've been here for dinner before, but I've never had breakfast, so I'm curious to see how their breakfast. My lens is fogging up, so we're gonna see if it's open, hopefully. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you their menu. So this is their entree. You can get like steak and eggs, breakfast pizza, but I'm gonna get the under the eggs selection, I'm gonna get the Al Forno eggs, which is brick oven, roasted cage, 3 eggs, polenta, fennel sausage, spiced tomato sauce, and country bread for 15 bucks. They have other stuff too, like avocado toast, and if you want to get extra sides, you can. They're right here. And then this is their alcoholic wine, Bloody Mary. They have a little bit of everything. So I'm excited to have their breakfast food for the wow, food came out really fast. Everything looks good. It comes with these 3 pieces of bread on the top. And then on the bottom is the eggs. And then the sauce and the cheese. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to dig into it right now. Cool, guys. My server, Mary, brought me out this complimentary cupcake with like blue and purple and yellow sprinkles. Because, you know, July is my birthday month. So I'm celebrating all month long. And this was so nice of her. I wasn't expecting that, you know. But this was really nice, so. Just finished having breakfast at Al Forno. I can never pronounce that Italian restaurant. But breakfast was really good. I enjoyed my dish. It was a lot, so I wasn't able to finish the whole thing. But it was an excellent breakfast. Definitely recommend it if you're staying here at the Disney's Boardwalk. And my server, Mary, was fantastic. She was awesome, and surprising me with a little cupcake at the end was really sweet of her. Now I'm gonna be going back to the room because I have to change, and I want to go enjoy a little pool day before I have to leave, because you know it's a really short little weekend trip. So the pool finally opened at 10 o'clock in the morning, so you get to enjoy and pick a spot, and they bring towels on every chair so you don't have to go looking for one. So I see a slide, and you know how excited I get every time I see a slide like a kid. I want to go down, so I'm gonna go dip in and see how the water feels first. So here we go. Oh, it's kind of cold, but you'll get used to it once you go all the way in. But yeah, I gonna go down the slide now. Okay, so they do have a slide here, like I was saying. So we're gonna go up to the slide and go down. Like. This is the view from on top of the slide area, and then toward the left you can see the Tower of Terror over there, and then the Swan Resort. Once this light turns green, now it's time for me to go. There we go. Whee! I love going outside. Whee! Oh yeah, look at this. Whee! Oh, there we go, let's go. Alright, so they do have a hot tub in here. Luckily there's nobody around, so it's like I have it to myself, but it's a really small jacuzzi area, but the water is really hot. I know it's weird, I'm going to go somewhere hot when it's already like 90 degrees outside, but I just want to check it out. Alright, for coffee we're going to stop at the Carasoul Coffee, and I had got the pomegranate cream tea lemonade before we head to the pool, which is going to be this strip right here. Guys, so this is gonna end the day at my little resort stay at Disney's Boardwalk. I really enjoyed the time. It was awesome to have a little getaway in my own town. The breakfast was really good. The pool was fun. Just hanging out, have a nice rest and relaxation. And being able to walk to the parks. I like that, the convenience of how close it was. Like I said, just a 3-minute walk. So have you guys ever stayed at that resort before? Let me know in the comments below, or you're planning to. I hope you guys enjoyed this resort stay with me. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you next adventure. Bye.